Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Soundstripe licensing music in DaVinci Resolve step by step clearly. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the software is open, create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the edit page at the bottom of the interface. In your media pool, import the video project you wish to add music to. Next, open your web browser and go to the Soundstripe website. Log in to your Soundstripe account. Browse or search for the music track you want to use in your project. Once you find a track you like, click on it to view its details. To download the track, select the appropriate license option and click on the download button. Make sure to choose the correct file format, typically MP3 or WAV. After the track has downloaded, return to DaVinci Resolve. In the media pool, right-click and select Import Media. Navigate to the folder where your downloaded music file is located. Select the music file and click Open to import it into DaVinci Resolve. Now, locate your imported music track in the media pool. Drag and drop the music track onto the timeline under your video clips. Position the track to align with the start of your video as desired. Adjust the length of the music track by dragging the ends to fit your video duration. You may also need to adjust the audio levels for balance. Click on the audio track in the timeline. Open the inspector panel in the upper right corner of the interface. Adjust the volume slider to set the desired audio level. If necessary, you can add fades by right-clicking on the audio clip. Select Add Audio Fade to smoothly transition in or out. Preview your video to ensure the music complements the visuals. If everything sounds good, proceed to export your project. Go to the Deliver page at the bottom of the interface. Select your desired export settings. Click on Add to Render Queue and then click Start Render. Your project will render with the Soundstripe music included. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.